Welcome, friends. Welcome to our Read a Lesson a Day program. Today we are going to read Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom.
Unbeatable supermom Mary Kom. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mange Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Kom was born in Kangthai village, Moirang Lamkhai in Churachandapur district of rural Manipur in the eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mange Tonpa Kom and Mange Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in jhum fields. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm related chores, going to school, and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Com recollects had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Mary Com's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sportswomen to look up to.
An interview? In an exclusive interview with Sportskrida correspondent Taruka Srivastava, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympic and her elation at winning a medal. First, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sank in?
I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. I am just so exhilarated.
You are the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you?
No, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew.
Your coach Charles Ekison was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympic. How did that affect your preparations?
Well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared.
During your preparation for the Olympics, you spar with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner?
Well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair.
You are quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried more power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the button. Do you think doggy judging was part of the reason of your loss in the semifinals?
Yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit.
India managed just 6 medals in 2012. Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 million people. Where do you think a change is required to get help us with medals that are proportionate with our population?
I think more and more people should take up sports as a full time career if we want more gold medals. More corporates should come in India and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games.
Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics?
Yes, I am sure that in few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year around.
How aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirement? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympic. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports?
The awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kgs since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kgs that I fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats.
How big role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better?
OGQ really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free.
What's your opinion on future of Indian boxing?
The future is very bright, and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us.
Do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in a style all the time?
Well, I have twins, and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control.
Will you train your kids to become boxers as well?
I haven't really thought about it. As of now, just let their mother box.
You have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking?
Well, I am good at cooking and other household work too.
Would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day?
Let's see, in future, maybe yes.
What do you prefer being called? Super mom or super boxer?
I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Thank you. Dear students, read and listen again and again.